Okay, another calendar video again. Nagkuha na tayo ng date sa calendar. So if today is October 27, 2025, Monday, what day is November 18, 2025? Okay, may birthday to ng tropa. Okay. So ang answer dito is yung hanapin niyo muna yung difference ng days. So October hanggang November 18 is matitira na lang sa October 27 is 28, 29, 30, 31. So 4 days plus yung November na 18 days. Okay. So this is equals to, this is sa October ha. This is sa November. Yun yung difference ng days. So this is 22. Okay, so 22. Okay, divide lang by, very good, 7 because there are 7 days in a week. So this is 3. Okay, 21. So 22 minus 1 is 1. So remainder niya is 1. Diba? So from Monday plus 1. So this will be Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday ang birthday ni tropa. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next videos. Thank you.